go.
Hey, you with the sword. A word?
You have a sword, we have troublemakers. I hope you're here looking for trouble, friend. Ishikari is ablaze with it.
As long as I'm getting paid.
You best get those bounties before the Oni raiders burn them alive, then.
A bounty board. Could tell me something about the Oni. The traitorous raider Magoro made off with the Oni's prized musket. The Oni will personally reward whoever returns the weapon and the thief alive. This could be how I get close to the Oni.
I haven't seen him, I swear! Magoro stole from me too. He never paid his tab.
And you think your debt is more important than the Oni's?
No, that's not what I meant!
Dust.
You are not the dog we are looking for, but you do. Know how to use that sword?
Shikari blade belongs to the Oni! You're a fool!
That barman knows the Oni's bounty. Magoro.
No. Turn around. You're not welcome here.
That's no way to greet someone who saved your life.
Saved? The Oni raiders will be back, and I'll have more than Magoro to answer for.
I saw his bounty outside. He stole a musket from the Oni.
Why do you think they call him mad? Goro is as crazy as he is belligerent.
So why protect him?
I'm not. If I knew anything, I would have told the raiders. I swear on my children, the two I like. Look, you can have one drink on the house, then please leave.
One drink. So much for gratitude. Maybe someone else knows about Magoro.
The way she stood up to those raiders reminds me of Sensei Takashi with his yari.
I haven't seen him in a while.
How am I going to explain what happened to those Oni raiders?
By telling the truth. They were killed by an onryo.
Who's going to believe that? This day can't get any worse.
They found Oni raiders filled with bullets. Mad Goro's work.
We'll avoid that route. Which way did you say?
It's... What is a samurai doing here?
You took my tip to check out the market.
Did Commander Wada send you to keep tabs on me?
He doesn't know I'm here.
Is Clan Matsumai's golden boy going rogue?
Hardly. What have you learned?
The Oni put a bounty on one of his own raiders who stole some prized musket. They call him Mad Goro.
And you think that if you bring him in, you can gain an audience with the Oni?
Those merchants mentioned Oni raiders filled with bullets. Not many firearms in Ishikari Plain. They were about to say where, when you showed up.
Them?
The point.
I can get them to talk. Excuse me, miss?
What are you doing?
Relax. Please, send those gentlemen a round of your finest sake.
Don't say who it's from.
Gentlemen, thank you for being such excellent customers. Please, accept a round of sake.
Didn't expect to find good service in Ishikari Plain.
That should loosen their tongues.
Quiet. I'm trying to listen.
One more drink, then we head out. If we're avoiding Iwami Village, we'll need the extra light.
Iwami Village. That must be where Mad Goro killed the Oni raiders.
See? I have my ways.
Out of the way, or feel the Oni's wrath.
Oni raiders. But are they here for me or you?
Let's find out.
The samurai. Where is he?
I want my reward first!
Your reward will be a sword through the gut, unless you tell us where the samurai is.
I guess they're here for me.
Look, boys, he found himself a woman.
You've got the wrong idea.
Why don't we set them straight?
You're some kind of monster!
Aggressive!
So, you're the one.
Come on, before reinforcements arrive. These people are forced to live in fear under the Oni.
We know what that's like.
Atsu, about that night. What they did to our parents.
Forget it. I shouldn't have said anything. There's your horse. Give Commander Wada my regards.
Atsu, wait. Can we please talk?
Be quick. I have a bounty to catch.
Let me help you.
Why?
Father would want us to work together, and I want to know my sister.
You may not like who I've become.
You're assuming I liked you before.
All right. But this is my job. I make the calls.
Lead the way.
Iwami Village. That's where we'll pick up Mad Goro's trail.
It's just across this bridge. I remember when this happened. The Oni sent his raiders to torch the village after they gave our clan supplies. By the time we arrived, everything was in flames. All we could do was watch.
We should ask around. See if anyone saw Mad Goro.
Clan Matsumaya has come to help! My lord! Over here!
Atsu! This way.
I knew Clan Matsumaya would not abandon us. Not after we provided food and lumber for your bridge.
We're just passing through.
To relay a message. Gather any survivors and head to the southern camp. Tell them Lord Kitamori sent you.
Thank you, my lord.
Before you go, we're looking for someone called Mad Goro. He carries a musket.
I heard something like thunder behind Bear Rock.
Gunfire. Where was this?
It's down the road on the left. Thank you again, my lord.
Safe travels.
That was quick thinking, using your name to help those people.
When we first arrived in Ishikari Plain, the settlers did everything they could to support us. We have since failed them too many times. Look! Dead Oni raiders.
Shot in the back while running away.
There's a snuffed-out campfire on that ridge. Perfect sightlines. Mad Goro's not just a thief, but a skilled marksman.
Let's look around.
A single firearm couldn't do this kind of damage.
No. The Oni raiders tried to sneak up on Mad Goro's camp and got a firebomb for their effort.
Then he picked off the stragglers with their own warlord's stolen musket. Let's look at his camp.
A smashed Oni raider's mask. Ugh! Why does it smell like urine?
So far, Mad Goro's living up to his name.
Looking for Mad Goro? I'm afraid he's our bounty.
Until caught, he's no one's.
Gentlemen, why don't we save our strength for Mad Goro? May the best hunter win.
Or you can tell us what you know, and keep that silver tongue of yours.
Their type don't listen to words, only steal. Don't be shy!
I hope you sharpen your blades! Get ready! A weapon! Don't let her get it! I'm here! Stop! I give up.
Let's make him talk.
The bounty is yours. Please, just let me go.
You want to live? Give me a lead.
We were chasing a rumor of dead Oni raiders floating in the river. They were killed with a musket.
The river? Then why are you here?
We saw your horses. Thought we'd make us stop along the way.
Bet you're regretting that decision.
He's given us a lead. Let him go.
I don't like loose ends.
Let's see what we catch at the river. I'm over here! Come back!
Come on, Tsubaki!
Is this a typical day for you?
The life of a wanderer is as predictable as the weather.
With more rainy days than sunny, I imagine.
I like the rain. It's a free bath.
Here's the river, but I don't see any Oni Raider corpses.
Let's head upstream, see what we can find. Yeah.
It must be hard, making a living among cutthroats. Always on your guard, unsure who to trust.
That's why I don't trust anyone.
Up ahead, bodies in the water.
Oni raiders. Floated. And I can make out the bullet holes.
No other signs of a fight. Mad Goro didn't kill them here.
Must have happened further up the river. Let's go.
Was your life different in the south?
I was always on the move, fighting for whoever would take me.
But you served the Lord as part of a clan?
Why do you care?
It would be nice to know you weren't alone for 16 years.
I was never more alone than among the samurai.
There! Oni raiders! By the waterfall. What are they looking at?
Corpses. Mad Goro's been busy. We'll deal with the raiders and see if he left behind any clues to follow.
Hold on. We should be tactical about this. Come up with a plan.
The plan is we go in quiet. Pick them off one by one.
Even you can't sneak up on that many Oni raiders.
20 mom for every man I kill without alerting the others.
10.
If that's all you can afford.
It's all I'm willing to give.
Just don't cheat and give away our position.
Or your ego will do that for me.
That Goro probably took a bite himself. Back when he was one of us, I watched him cut out 2 of them.
Then, mom.
Why would he do that? Well, he just laughed. Blood poured from his lips. The man is not right.
Itches.
What do you think the
20 more.
It's in your best interest to count in your head.
The Oni beat a samurai his own fingers. Then he left him alive, staring at a katana he could no longer hold. If I was that hero, I'd use that musket to kill myself after his capture. That would be the same thing. But they call Goro mad for a reason. I see you there! It's the Onion!
Damn it!
It was a good effort. That's the last of them.
Time to pay up.
You still alerted them. Now, let's take a look at those corpses. More victims of Mad Goro.
Victim is a strong word.
Pray then. No black powder residue.
They were shot at a distance. Likely from that cliff. We should check for a camp.
Use your spyglass to see if it's worth the climb.
Tired, samurai?
Prudent.
I see smoke.
See you!
Are you hurt?
No, I just hate when a bounty finds me first. Distract him with your bow while I sneak up that cliff.
You're going up there?
We need him alive, and I can't catch him from down here.
Arrows? Look like ass scratcher. My way. I've got a rash that you wouldn't believe. It's small, but I picked that. Turned into a scab. I think it's infected.
Have you tried mugwort?
I'm a wanted man. I can't take a shit without someone ambushing me, much less go herb from it.
I have...
He's running!
Get him! I'll catch up!
Get back here!
You want me? Come and get me!
Come on, boy. We have to catch him. Crazy son of a... Throw bombs at me, but not at Shimaki!
Bombs? Like these?
What? I didn't need you for the Oni. We'll catch him.
It'll be a lot easier if we just put an arrow in his skull.
We need him alive to reach the Oni. Mad... He must have gone in there.
Careful. He likely abandoned it for the high ground, where he can put that musket to use. Find cover!
Nobody's home. Come back another day.
Can't see through the smoke.
Move forward, carefully.
Use your bow. Distract him so I can get close.
Because that worked so well before.
He's got nowhere to run this time.
It's your job. We meet again.
And you brought more arrows. This is familiar.
Like an old song.
Except I can see you now. I regret telling you about my rash.
Well, there's nothing.
It's over, Goro.
Ah, you're a sneaky one. I prefer your friend. There's still fire in me yet.
What is that smell?
The mask of a wanted man. Careful, Atsu! He has a rat!
Wait! You have a mask of your own!
Mon Dieu.
Sniff me again and I'll cut off your nose.
Not so cocky now, are you, Goro?
You hit hard for a ghost.
Hands behind your back. And stop talking.
So, this is the infamous Mad Goro. And our other prize, the Oni's musket. I don't know which one is more distasteful.
Time to meet your master.
What a boring, straightforward approach. Especially considering what I can offer Clan Matsumai.
Yes, we heard all about your rash.
I was referring to information. I know how the Oni Raiders operate, their numbers, where they keep their prisoners of war. Did you think we burn them all? The Oni needs labor to fix up his castle. And you samurai are so strong.
How many?
24, maybe more.
Jubei, he's playing you.
Something about your Matsumai really gets under the Oni's skin. I think you make him long for his glory days, when he was a smooth-skinned hero, not unlike yourself.
I need to bring him in for questioning.
This was always your plan. All that bullshit about getting to know me?
Men's lives are at stake.
Of course, you'd choose your clan over me.
I'm not choosing anyone, Atsu. Give me a few days, and I promise, Mad Goro and the musket are yours. We can both get what we want.
I thought we wanted the same thing. The Oni dead.
And he will be. In a couple of days.
You have 24 hours. Then I'm taking him. And no one, not even you, dear brother, can stop me.
I'll meet you near the Oni's castle.
Salmon. I hope Jubei keeps his word. Feels like I can't go a day without tripping over a samurai. With their puffed out chests and talk of honor. At least the Matsumai pay well.
left us out to get away from war.
Bartering for goods, Kakema.
You want quality? Take a look at my bows. I heard you got Sanji out of that raider garrison. I could barely believe it when he told me. It was good to see him safe, you know, so he can pay me back what he owes.
Glad I could help.
Hey, you with the sword. A word?
Can I interest you in something else? Always a pleasure to take your coin.
There's more where this came from. There we go. I'll be around if you wish to barter.
Just a few more jobs.
Nothing like the smell of coin to lift one's spirits.
Just keep those bounties coming.
A woman after my own heart.
Have any armor that needs work?
What brings you to Ishikari Plain?
The Matsumae. They are trying to save this valley from being burned by raiders. I thought maybe they could use my skills.
They said no.
I am a man without a master.
Their loss.
And your gain. It is good to see Bold Kaji Forge back in the hands of its blacksmiths. You did a good thing, Hiratsu.
Kotetsu's family gets to see him again. That's what matters.
These maps took a lot of work, so be careful with them, yes?
Isaburo. Bit of a dangerous place to be mapping out Ezo.
I have noticed. But the Shogun's orders are the Shogun's orders. Do you wish to buy a map before we all get burned to death? Can't say no, can I? It is yours.
Atsu.
Where is Magoro?
Commander Wada refused to release him.
I told you this would happen.
I brought you the musket he stole.
Not good enough. We need someone who will get the Uni's attention. Someone like Clan Matsumae's golden boy.
No. Absolutely not.
Then bring me Magoro.
Atsu. I cannot defy my own clan.
You already did by helping me. By being here now. The Oni killed our father. We have to do this.
If I agree to act as your prisoner, we need to be careful. And patient.
Once inside, we wait until nightfall. Then I free you.
And then we assassinate the Oni together.
I'll even let you keep his head. A gift for your commander.
We won't get very far if they recognize you. Check the pack on my horse. There's a mask and some clothes you can borrow.
That you just happen to keep on you?
You aren't the only one that knows a few tricks. and they'll be suspicious.
Lower your bows! I bring gifts for the Oni! His stolen musket, and a Matsumai lapdog!
Loosen these ropes, and call me a dog again!
You're the Oni's pet now.
That is far enough. We will take it from here.
The bounty said the Oni would reward me personally.
The bounty was for Mad Goro, not some samurai.
It was for the musket. And this isn't just any samurai. He is Commander Wada's favorite.
I have never seen a woman bounty hunter before. How do I know you're not the Onryo who killed the snake?
If I was worth that much, I'd turn myself in. For now, I'll settle for the Oni's reward.
My master will meet you at the top of the hill.
Welcome to Ishikari Castle. Sound the drums! Alert the Oni of our new arrival!
Oni is just up this hill. Have you seen him since that night?
Only at a distance. He wears the same mask.
Then he'll be easy to spot.
As if I could ever forget him.
He is just a man, Jubei.
A man who murdered our father.
Leave all weapons but the musket with your horse. He will be watered and fed.
Open the gates!
I'm with you.
A weapon of fire and pain. Where's the thief, Mad Goro?
Killed by this one. But I figured Commander Wada's golden boy was worth more than some toothless bastard.
Did you now? Take off that mask, so I can thank you properly.
You first.
Come. I owe you a reward. Welcome to your new home, Samurai. I hope you have a strong back.
If it's anything like his sword arm, you'll be disappointed.
It's easy to taunt a man who's tied up.
Your hands will soon be free to repair this castle. Lord Saito's future seat of power.
I thought this was your castle.
I am a custodian.
These men seem more loyal to you than Saito.
Lord Saito. Disrespect his name again, and you will become a prisoner yourself. Kanta, we have a new guest of honor.
He stands so tall. We'll soon fix that.
Enjoy your stay, Samurai.
Death to the Matsumai!
Come, this way. It's time to collect your reward.
The men are loyal.
They know I will bring them victory. Stop her! What is all this?
Another escape attempt, my lord. The prisoners have grown bold since Mad Goro found a way past the castle walls.
Display the body near the holding cells, so they can smell the rot.
Yes, my lord.
And find that damn exit. After you, Hunter. Your reward awaits. Few are allowed inside this room.
I can see why. It's dangerous to keep so many treasures in one place.
So I learned with Mad Goro. But everything is back where it belongs now. Look around while I count out your reward. Just keep your hands to yourself.
Is this you?
As a young man, I won glory at the Battle of Nikatakahara.
Much has changed.
Yes. I am no longer a slave to vanity.
Why is this musket so important to you?
Have you ever been shot?
No. But I've watched it happen to someone else.
The pain stays with you, long after the bullet leaves your body. Like fire, it scars your very soul.
Clan Saito, yours?
My father's. The armor never fit me well. He was a smaller man.
You have no son to pass it down to?
Children require women. Both are more trouble than they are worth. No offense.
None taken.
Lord Saito.
We have to do something. I'll go. I'm the son. I'm better with the sword. I can save him!
Where is your sister?
Go find your mother. I'll be right behind you. I promise. My little wolves.
Your reward.
Keep your money. I want this.
That old thing. I don't even remember where I got it.
Then it won't be missed.
Take the coin, too. I'm feeling generous. Tell me, when was the last time you had a good meal?
Is there such a thing in Ishikari Plain?
You will feast with us tonight.
I'd be honored.
You'll be drunk. Like the rest of us. Until then, don't go far.
Jubei, where are you? The prisoner had tried to escape. Yotei said to display her body near the holding cell. That must be where they're keeping Jubei, but how to get him out? The Oni's jailer. He has the keys. Hold on, brother. I'm coming.
No bite to this one! Don't hold back!
Watch yourself.
This is a training ring! Now, see that!
That's who brought in the samurai?
Show us your pretty
Watch
face.
your footwork! Watch it, you flea-bitten stray!
Easy now. I'm not one of your prisoners. I can fight back.
Kanta? Are you being rude?
I don't like her.
You don't like anyone.
If you've got a problem, why don't we settle this in the ring?
Ah, an excellent idea. Pick up a bouquet. We don't want any casualties.
I don't fight with wooden sticks.
What is a kanabo if not a big stick?
Place your bets! Put him
Begin.
Careful, pretty hunter, or you'll become prey.
Here it comes!
My jailer waits.
The mighty fall at last. To be no more than dust in the wind.
Need a hand?
You may be a stray, but you are not without teeth.
Thank you.
An impressive display.
Your man might disagree.
You won't be popular at dinner, but you've more than earned your place. They won't try anything. These guards will escort you to the feast.
You're not coming?
I eat alone.
You see...
You can really hold your sake. It's too bad the Oni doesn't allow strangers to stay overnight.
My loss, I'm sure.
Your horse is at the stables. Damn thing tried to bite me more than once.
Can't imagine why. I need to arm myself and go back for Jubei.
Hey you guys, thanks again for watching that Gentleman Jug play. Please check out all the other things that Gentleman Jug has to offer, especially all the videos. And if you like this video, please do all the other things all the other YouTubers tell you to do. And check out the Gentleman Jug cast, pretty much available wherever you can listen to your Jug cast. Peace out! Genius of my sound, born at the bottom, but now I'm knocked down. Look, I'ma call it swagger. I slip through time zones like a cloak and dagger. Mad rubies on my